Now we will start lesson 4 of geography, agriculture. In this lesson we will study about the different topics such as importance of agriculture, what are the different types of farming or agriculture, cropping patterns or cropping seasons of India, major crops along with their climatic condition and distribution in India. After this, we will study about the reforms done by our government to improve agriculture and what is the contribution of agriculture in the GDP of India. And in the last, we will study about the impact of globalization on agriculture. Now, first we will discuss what is agriculture and what is the importance of agriculture. Agriculture, as the name is indicating, to cultivate the land. Land cultivation is known as agriculture. India is mainly agricultural country and 2/3 of our population engaged in agriculture. Agriculture provides us food. It also provides raw material for our different industries. And now most of the agriculture products they are exported also, and the major products of export are like tea, coffee, rice. Now in India we have different type of agriculture, but there are so many factors that affect the types of farming or agriculture in India. As you know, agriculture is the main economic activity from the past time, but if we compare our methods of agriculture with present time also, they also changed. Methods are changed, cultivation techniques are changed. So we can say that there are so many factors which are responsible for the change in the type of farming. So now we will discuss which are the factors that affect types of farming. First factor, physical environment. Second, technology. Third, social and cultural practices or trend in India. Now we will discuss about the different types of farming done in India. First, primitive subsistence farming. What do you mean by primitive? Primitive means backward or the agriculture which is done in India during the ancient time. Subsistence means to fulfill the need of the family. So primitive subsistence farming means the agriculture that is done to fulfill the needs of family only. And in this type of farming, small size of land is used. Only with the help of primitive tools the agriculture is done. And till now also in some parts of India, mainly in the forest covered area, this type of farming is done. Only the family members work as labor. It means there is no need to hire the labor for the primitive subsistence farming. And in this farming, no use of any fertilizer, pesticides, and no use of any irrigation method. Only such type of farming depends upon natural fertility of the soil and monsoon only. Shifting cultivation is an example of primitive subsistence farming. Now we will discuss shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture, as the name is indicating, the agriculture that is shift from one place to another. How it shift? This agriculture is known as slash and burn farming also. Now, what do you mean by shifting agriculture? Shifting agriculture means such as in the forest area, the people or the tribal people, they clear a patch of land. After clearing the patch of land by burning, they start to grow the crops. But they never use any fertilizer, pesticide or any irrigation method. So as the soil fertility decreases, they left that piece of land and shift to other place in the forest. In the same way, they clear that patch of land and start to do farming. So after 2-3 years also they follow the same procedure, and in this method, such as there is no use of fertilizer, pesticide, so land productivity is also low in shifting agriculture. This agriculture is known by the different names in the different parts of India, such as mainly it is done in the northeastern states of India, and it is called by the name of Jhuming.